3 pro tips for using a pellet gun in YEEPS. Number 1, when you are using the pellet gun, don't shoot like that. Press the trigger like that when it's under, and it will shoot 2, not 1. Number 2 is that it's the exact same thing with that, but you aim at your head. If you aim at your head, it throws you like that. See? And finally, number 3. If you get your pellet sniper, and you do the exact same thing as you always do with your pellet gun, it won't flip. It will just like stay. So if you, oh my god, why is my pellet? You go boom, and that is